Today, we'll walk through installing your sliding panels. Before you begin, check your box to ensure your window treatment is as ordered and your install guide and hardware is included. For install, you'll need a tape measure, screwdriver, power drill with drill bits, and a pencil. You may also need a level, and for taller windows, a ladder, and some help from another person. Consider drywall anchors if mounting directly into drywall without a stud. Your first installation step is to connect the headrail pieces together. Insert the connector into the groove side of the headrail, then push down to lock it into place. Next, assemble the brackets by removing, then replacing the screw to connect the bracket pieces together. Mark the drill sites for the brackets. Then drill the screws into the brackets on the marked points. Next, install the headrail by inserting the front side of the bracket into the front grooves of the headrail. Then tilt the back side of the headrail up to lock it into place. Ensure all brackets are placed in the grooves before locking into place. Hook the panels onto each track. Finally, attach the pull wand. We recommend testing the track operation by opening and closing the panels. From measuring to installing, we're here to help you every step of the way. Find us at blindsgalore.com.